Okay. Uh, hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about a real life story that happened, and it's not fake. It don't say it's fake because it's not. So, anyways, let's go. So one day I was going to school, right? So, anyways, I went to the bus, and yeah. So one sec. Um, so anyways, after that happened, I went into the classroom, right? And Bill Gates came in, and I was like, oh my god, he's the creator of Windows XP, and like he said that he's gonna blow me up with an RPG, and he wanted to say that, and I was like, so anyways, my friends were like, no, you're a troll, you're not real Bill Gates. And then he blew me up with an RPG, and then I died. Thank you for watching. Please rate 5 stars.